channel here. So today I'm going to show you how to change your language in Telegram. Either you're English, you're from French, or you want to change it to Chinese, you want to change it to India, Hindu, you want to change it to Spanish, you want to change it to anyone. There's an easy way for you to do that. So let's follow me. Before guys, subscribe. Thank you. Now you open your plus, which is also your Telegram. The next thing is come to these three dots, this three line, and then you scroll down, click on your settings, scroll down here, and you can see your language. You can see here, this is your language. Just click on it. Presently my language is English. You can see it's English. I can change the language to anyone. All the languages are here on your Telegram. You can just change the language to anyone, and once you change it, it's automatically changed. So guys, if you found this video helpful, subscribe and like.